Hey guys, so today's video is a Jamaican style rice and peas recipe. Now, this is by no means an authentic Jamaican style rice and peas because I'm not making the milk from scratch, but this is my go-to, so I'm sharing it with you guys. I will definitely give you guys a video with handmade coconut milk at a later date, but for now, let's get started. Okay, so now the night before, you want to soak your kidney beans. I used light red, but you definitely want to go for dark red kidney beans to have that authentic flavor and that authentic color. So the next day, you want to add your kidney beans with their water to your Instant Pot. Set it on multigrain for 15 minutes. Now, everybody doesn't have an Instant Pot, but my mom told me this is a quicker way, so I'm definitely going to take it. So I set it in there for 15 minutes on multigrain. Make sure your Instant Pot is set to sealing and not venting because you want it to pressurize. So you definitely want to have it on venting because if not, you'll mess it up. So after about 20 minutes, we're going to put our pot on venting. That releases the steam so you don't get hurt trying to open your pot, and voila, your beans are done and they're ready for your regular pot because we're not cooking this in the Instant Pot. So now our beans are in our regular pot, and we're going to add our coconut milk and our fresh seasonings. You must add your fresh seasonings because this is the flavor profile of Jamaican rice and peas besides the kidney beans and the coconut milk. You're going to add your fresh sprigs of thyme, whole scallion, a whole scotch bonnet pepper. Don't cut it because you're not trying to make the rice spicy. You just want that scotch bonnet flavor. And some whole cloves of garlic. Leave all your seasonings whole because you're going to pull them out when it's done. And then you're going to add your freshly washed rice. You don't have to wash your rice. We wash our rice. It's a Caribbean thing. That's just what we do. So yeah. I'm adding it from a bowl that I had it soaking in. And then I'm going to add salt. You're going to see me add salt in a few. I'm just trying to get all the rice out. There go that salt I was talking about, and the butter. The butter helps the rice get that shelliness. Now, that's what Jamaican people refer to properly cooked rice as being shelly. And you're going to see when the rice is done. Okay, so after about 20-25 minutes, our rice is done. You see how you can see each individual rice grain, and it's not clumpy, it's not moist looking and overdone looking. Yeah, that's what we call shelly. I don't know what the word means. I just know that the rice is shelly because that's what my mom would say. So yeah, now our rice is done, and y'all know y'all saw all the fresh seasonings on the top. That usually happens. You're gonna see all your fresh seasonings on the top and it looks like it's not enough beans. That's because the beans are mostly on the bottom. That's why I'm stirring it up. See, you guys, it's done. Yes, the end of another video. And I definitely served it with my Jamaican style oxtails. That video will be coming in a few days, so please stay tuned. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Become a part of the notification game. Share this video with your friends, your family, and even your enemies. Don't be stingy with me, y'all. I got more videos to come. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I'm so OFF, ICIAL. I got bars like I'm in a cell. She tryna bomb, but I got a bell.